All right, team, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the root cause analysis for the latest NCR. Lily, could you give us a quick rundown? Roll up our sleeves is an idiom meaning to prepare to work hard. Dive into means to begin something with energy and focus. Rundown means a short summary or report. Sure thing. The deviation was detected in batch 6789 during the tensile strength test. The results were off the mark compared to the specification. Off the mark means incorrect or not accurate. Okay, first things first, was the product out of spec because of the raw material? First things first is a phrase used to emphasize handling the most important issue before anything else. Possibly, but I wouldn't jump to conclusions just yet. We also need to take a closer look at the testing methodology. Sometimes the devil is in the details. Jump to conclusions means deciding something too quickly without enough evidence. The devil is in the details means small details can cause big problems if overlooked. Good call. If the testing procedure wasn't followed to the letter, it could explain the discrepancy. Did we confirm that the equipment was calibrated properly? To the letter means exactly as instructed with no mistakes. That's still under review. Honestly, I suspect there might have been some mix-ups during calibration. If that's the case, retraining the staff could go a long way. Go a long way means to be very helpful or effective. I like that line of thinking. Training is always a solid investment, but let's not put all our eggs in one basket. What about the raw material certificates? Were they cross-checked against the supplier COA? Not put all our eggs in one basket means not relying only on one solution or option. Cross-checked means verified by comparing with another source. They were, and nothing jumped out as unusual. Still, I think we should run a double verification just to be safe. Better to be safe than sorry. Jumped out means appeared noticeable or obvious. Better to be safe than sorry means it's wiser to be cautious than to risk a mistake. Excellent. So, possible root causes, calibration errors, staff training gaps, or hidden issues in raw materials. For corrective actions, I'd say retraining on equipment calibration, tightening our verification steps, and maybe adding a peer review process to catch errors early. Peer review means having another person at the same level check the work for mistakes. That makes sense. A second pair of eyes can catch things that slip through the cracks. Slip through the cracks means something is overlooked or missed. A second pair of eyes means another person reviewing to help find errors. Exactly. Two heads are better than one. Let's document these findings, assign owners, and set deadlines so this doesn't fall through the cracks. Two heads are better than one is an idiom meaning teamwork produces better results than working alone. Fall through the cracks means to be forgotten or neglected. Got it. I'll start drafting the action plan right after this session. Perfect. If we nail down the root cause properly, we won't just fix this NCR, we'll raise the bar for the whole process. Nail down means to identify or confirm something with certainty. Raise the bar means to set a higher standard or expectation.